Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you this really cute farmhouse style glass canisters. I found these two chickens, these little ceramic ones at a Dollar Tree. So what I did was spray paint them both white. And then I'm adding some polka dots, some black polka dots on them where the dots already are with this Sharpie here. Next, I have these glass jars from Dollar Tree, of course, and now I'm just adding some twine to the lid. Just add a little bit of hot glue to start it and just wrap it around and add a little more hot glue at the end once you cut the last piece. Now I'm taking a lighter and just burning off those hairs. Now I'm just using some super glue to glue on the chickens onto the lids. I made some decals from my Cricut cutting machine. One says coffee and one says sugar, and I'm just applying that to the jar here. If you guys are interested in purchasing these decals, I do have them on my Etsy shop available, ready to apply, and the link is in my description bar. It'll take you right to my Etsy. Here is the final result. I think they came out really cute, and I like the way I have them pointed to each other, so they're kind of like kissing chickens for the coffee and sugar jar. I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy, simple Dollar Tree DIY. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you're new, hit that subscribe button for more DIYs, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next DIY.